Hi, Namaste children. How are you all? Are you fine? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Children, in my previous class, I gave you some homeworks to write and send. And really, some of your friends they are writing all those homeworks and sending to our WhatsApp numbers. It is one of the good thing they are doing. And you also, others, some of you are not sending still. So you need to write those all the homeworks and send it to our WhatsApp numbers. Okay, then only we can correct your all the CWs and HWs and we can give marks to you. There are marks for CW and HW. Do you know last year we were giving marks for CW and HW. If you want to get those CW and HW marks, please complete your HW and CW and send it to the teachers. And English subject note informations or homeworks you need to write in English HW and English CW, and later you need to take a photo of the photo of your homework and send it to our WhatsApp number. Is it clear? So do it if you want marks, and if you want that percentage of marks, you must send your all the homeworks and you need to submit them in time. Don't send late. Don't be late while sending the homeworks and the classworks. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. And in our previous class, we were discussing about the first lesson, the English exam. It is a story of that boy Raghu. He had been dreaming exactly what happened in his dream. That is the real story they given here. What had happened, that I would like to share something on your screen. Please look at it. Yeah, please look at it. Yes, Raghu. So once already I explained this one to you in my previous video, and again I am going to remind you that what we have discussed in that video in the first video. So Raghu, there was a boy called Raghu. So his favorite subject was English, and one day he was completely excited to write the English exam, and he prepared for that, and he went to the school and entered the examination hall, and he sat there. He was impatiently acting. Okay, he was completely impatient because he was completely ready for the English exam, and so that he was expecting that answer question paper to come early, and teacher came to the class, and she started to distribute the question papers, and she started to distribute, and to the Raghu also that question paper it came, and he started to read the question paper. What happened now? Then when he saw the question paper, he was completely shocked. Yes, he was completely shocked. Why he was shocked? He had prepared for the English exam, and when he started to read that question paper, in that question paper there were maths questions. It means that question paper was maths question paper. It means that day there was maths exam. But he had prepared for the English. Now, instead of English, they gave maths paper, he thought it. There is an English exam that day, maybe teacher is confused and distributed the maths paper. Like that, Raghu thought it. But exactly who confused there? Raghu only confused there. That thing we are learning in that next page. In that next page, then he was completely shocked and he started to cry. And he called teacher, maybe you were confused and given maths question paper. Today supposed to be their English exam, no? So why you were given maths paper? Like that he asked to his teacher, and the teacher was so kind. Gently she told to him, no my dear Raghu, today is not there is no English there is no English exam today. Today is their maths paper. Maybe you mixed up the dates and confused. You yourself you confused, and you thought that today is English exam. But exactly today there is maths exam. So you don't worry, no problem. You don't be panic and don't afraid of this question paper. I am sure that Raghu, you will be able to answer most of the questions in this maths paper. So don't be panic. You don't no need to cry. You no need to afraid. You no need to be upset. No need to be upset. Be cool and sit calm and read the question paper. After reading the question paper, yes. So you no need to be upset, my dear Raghu. Please sit cool and read that question paper. Okay. After reading that, you start to answer for those questions which are there. I am sure that we will be able to answer for most of the questions, like that she told. Then next part we need to discuss in that previous class. Then after that time was over, then I left it. Today I am explaining. Then so Raghu kept on speaking to himself. It was supposed to be English today. I know it was supposed to be English today. So where he was, you just see that image. He was lying on the bed. Okay, he was lying on the bed. There itself, he was dreaming. He had been dreaming here. It is not exactly in the dream itself. He was talking himself that he was murmuring. Murmuring means muttering. We are calling muttering means murmuring. Slowly talking. Okay, talking in the low voice. That is murmuring. So what he was murmuring? It was supposed to be English exam today. I know it was supposed to be English exam today. Like that, he was simply keep on telling this sentence. Then, by listening this sound, Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around in his bed, muttering something. Raghu's mother heard this voice. Raghu's voice. Raghu is talking, telling something on his bed. So she woke up early and she was doing her work. When she heard this voice of Raghu, she came to his bedroom and she just made a sound and she made him wake up. And then after that, what she asked that, Raghu, wake up. You must be having a bad dream. Wake up. Maybe you are having bad dream, so that you are muttering yourself. So please get up, she said. In your bed, of course. Where you are? Then he asked to his mother, where am mummy? Oh mummy, where I am? Or where am I? Where am I? Mummy, like that he started to ask his mother, and his mother replied, in your bed, of course. You are nowhere else. You are on your bed only, my dear son. Like that his mother told him. Raghu looked around. He started to look around. Where am I now? Am I in the room? My mother is telling that I am in my bedroom only. So he started to look around, and he was indeed in his bed at home. He was there on his bed only. Indeed means there only. Okay, he was there on his bed only. Then it must have been a dream. Oh mummy, I had such a bad dream. Then he started to shout that. So then, mummy, maybe I had a bad dream, such a bad dream. So in that bad dream, what happened? He told his mother also. What he told? So in that dream, about his examination, he told. So he told that, oh, already your exams are completely over, my dear son. So why you are worrying about your examination now? Now you are enjoying your holidays. Exams are already completed, and you are enjoying your holidays now. But you are still thinking about examination. For what? Like that, she made him cool and calm down and tell me all about it. She told to her son. Then he told everything, and then she told that already exams are over. Don't worry about the examination. So be cool and get ready for the play. Something you can do, or go and fresh up. Okay, fresh up yourself and come for the tea or something, she said. So this is the important and one of the beautiful story in that first lesson we have learnt now. Then in my next class, children, I am going to explain you that about question and answers of this lesson, exercise part of this lesson. and be ready for that. And surely I am going today's homework. You may be expecting today's homework now. Surely I will send your homework to your WhatsApp group. There you can see, and these lesson picks up these lesson. This lesson also I will send it to your WhatsApp, because some of you don't have textbook. So to write the homework you will get some problem, or you may get difficulty. So in that WhatsApp group I will send these all the images, and also I will send today's homework. I hope I am clear. So did you understand this story? If you have any doubt about this story, please call me. Then after that I will explain to you once again. Is it clear? Okay. I hope I am clear today. So let us see in our next class. Okay. Dhanyavad.